Children, we are going to start the numericals for treatment of goodwill. So here the first question that we will do is question number 17. It is on page number 3.133. The question says, so here is question number 17. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. They admit C into partnership on the condition that he will bring rupees 21,000 as goodwill. So he is bringing 21,000 as goodwill. This is the premium for goodwill. Share for 1/4 share in profits. Assuming that goodwill has been brought in cash by C, pass necessary journal entries. When number 1, goodwill is paid privately. Number 2, goodwill is retained in the business for by old partners. Number 3, half goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. So children, I am passing the entries just in the journal entry form, but you will have to pass these entries in proper format of a journal. It's clear? So here in a single question, first 3 cases have been asked. Number 1, when the goodwill is to be distributed among the partners, old partners, privately. Number 2, when the goodwill is to be retained in the business by the partners, old partners. Number 3, when the half of the goodwill is withdrawn by the partners. So एक ही क्वेश्चन में first 3 केस कवर होते हैं. So it is not so that for each and every case you have to calculate the new PSR and you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Just calculate the new PSR and the sacrificing ratio once. So here first we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. A and B, they were old partners. They were sharing profits in the ratio 2:1. That is 2/3 and 1/3. C has been admitted for 1/4 share. So we will calculate the new PSR. First of all, we will add up the share of A and B. So it will be 3 is the LCM, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3/3 is equal to 1. 1 is the total of the share of A and B. From 1 we will subtract the new partner's share, that is 1/4. So again LCM 4, 1, 4, 4 ones are 4 minus 4 ones are 1 ones are 1 is equal to 3/4. Now the new this 3/4 will be distributed between A and B in the old ratio, that will become the new ratio of A and B. A 2/3 was the old ratio and this 3/4 is to be distributed, so multiply by 3/4 is equal to 6/12. B 1/3 was the old share, this 3/4 will be distributed, 3 upon 4 3 is 12. Now C, he is coming for 1/4 share, so to make the denominator equal to 12, 3 will be multiplied as denominator and 3 will be multiplied as numerator too. So 3 ones are 3, 4 3s are 12. So 6:3:3. अब इसको ऐड करके देख लो, 6 and 3 9 and 3 12. The total of the numerator is equal to the common denominator, therefore the ratio has been calculated accurately. So we will again now simplify it. So if we will divide it by 3, so 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 1s are 2:1 is the new ratio. Now calculate the sacrificing ratio. A 2/3 was the old ratio minus the new ratio 6/12 is equal to 12 is the LCM, 3 4s are 4 2s are 8 minus 6 is equal to 2/12. In case of B, 1/3 was the old ratio minus the new ratio of B 3/12. So 12 again is the LCM, 3 4s are 4 1s are 4, 12 1s are 1 3s are 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1/12. So the sacrificing ratio is 2:1. Now we will start the cases. The first case was goodwill is paid privately. Goodwill is paid privately means that the partners do not want to show the goodwill account in the books and they don't even want to show that they have earned some money on behalf of goodwill. So there will be no entry. Second case is goodwill is retained in the firm by the old partners. Now the partners want to show the goodwill in the firm, and they want to show that they have earned something in form of goodwill. So cash account will be debited. 21,000 has been received by the partners, so cash account will be debited. To premium for goodwill, this cash is coming on account of the premium or on account of the share of goodwill of the new partner. So, and that is called as premium for goodwill. So premium for goodwill account 21,000. Narration will be being goodwill share brought in cash. Now this premium for goodwill 21,000 will be debited. It will be debited because it is to be distributed among the partners. So premium for goodwill account debit 21,000 to A's capital account 14,000, and this will be this will be credited to the partners in their sacrificing ratio. So the sacrificing ratio is 2:1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 21,000 will be divided by 3, and it will be multiplied by 2 ones, and ones means for A's share and 1 for B share. So 21,000 divided by 3 is equal to 7,000. 7 into 2 is equal to 14,000 is the share of A, and 7,000 is the share of B. The narration will be being premium for goodwill credited by the partners in sacrificing ratio, that is 2:1. Now the third case is, as per the question, it says half goodwill is withdrawn by old partner. Now over here in this case, if you want to, you will pass these two entries along with the narration. I have not written the narration, but you have to write down the narration for each and every entry which is being asked in the question. So you will repeat these two entries, and then you will show the entry for the withdrawal of the goodwill, or you can just pass this third entry, that is the withdrawal of goodwill entry. या तो 3 एंट्री बनाओ या सिर्फ एक ये विड्रॉल की एंट्री करो, क्योंकि ये ऊपर की 2 एंट्रीज ऑलरेडी यू हैव डन इन द सेकंड केस. So over here, cash account debit 21,000 to premium for goodwill account, the amount of premium for goodwill that has been brought. Then this premium for goodwill account 21,000 will be credited to the partners in the sacrificing ratio. To A's capital account 14,000, to B's capital account 7,000. Now half of the amount is being withdrawn. So we will not divide 21,000 by 2. What we will do, whatever amount has been credited to the partners, we will make half of this amount. 14,000 का half हुआ 7,000. 7,000 by rupees 7,000 A will be debited. 7,000 का half हुआ 3,500. By rupees 3,500 B will be debited, and to cash account 10,500, the total of these two. So being half of the amount of goodwill withdrawn by partners. So it's clear to us. Now question number 19. Now see, question number 19 says, here is the question, page is same. X and Y were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Z as a new partner for 1/3 share in the profits of the firm. Z acquired his share from K and Y in 2:3 ratio. Z brought rupees 80,000 for his capital and 30,000 for his 1/3 share as premium. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of K, Y and Z and pass necessary journal entries for the above transaction in the books of the firm. So here K and Y are the old partners and Z is the new partner. K and Y were sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. that is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Z is coming for 1/3 share. Z acquired this 1/3 share from K and Y in the ratio 2:3. 2:3 means 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. We will add up this. It comes to 5. Is the LCM. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. This, his share is 1/3 and the total of this is 1. They are not equal. Therefore, the acquired share will be calculated. K is equal. Z has acquired from K of his 1/3 share 2/5. So it comes to 2 by 15. 1/3 into 2 by 15. Y, for his 1/3 share, he has taken 3/5 from Y. So 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 15. This is the acquired share. Now the new profit sharing ratio. K, his old ratio was 3 by 5 and he has given 2 by 15 to Z. So the remaining will be his new ratio. So 15 will be the LCM. 5 3s are 3 3s are 9. 15 1s are 1 2s are 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 by 15. In case of Y old ratio was 2 by 5 minus the part that has been given to Z, that Z has acquired from him, minus 3 by 15 is equal to 15 is the LCM. 5 3s are 3 2s are 6. 15 1s are 1 3s are 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 by 15. Now Z, he has taken 2 by 15 from X and 3 by 15 from Y. So 15 is the LCM. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 by 15. Add up the numerators, 7 and 3, 10 and 5, 15. And the common denominator is 15. So the ratio is correct. 7:3:5 is the new ratio. Now the sacrificing ratio. K, old ratio was 3 by 5 minus the new ratio 7 by 15. 15 is the LCM. 5 3 3 3 is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 by 15. Y, old ratio was 2 by 5 and the new ratio was 3 by 15 is equal to 15 is the LCM. 5 3 3 2 is 6 minus 3 is equal to 15. So 2:3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 by 15. So 2:3 is the sacrificing ratio of K and Y.